Hey there, it's Doug at the Pack Gambler. We are busting open a box of 2013 Topps Series 2 Baseball Hobby. We just did the team matchups, and then we had some time for some trading. So I'm just going to go through the names with the teams matched up after the trades. So here we go. So starting off, we have the Pack Gambler with the Rockies through a trade. We have Chris N with the Pirates. We have Pack Gambler with the Indians. We have Chris N with the Nationals through a trade. We have Pack Gambler with the Dodgers. We have Greg B with the Reds through a trade. We have Gabe with the Blue Jays through a trade. We have Chris N with the Astros. Greg B with the Athletics. We have Gabe with the Rays through a trade. And Pack Gambler through the Pack Gambler has the Marlins through a trade. We have Jeff G with the Giants, Pack Gambler with the Phillies and White Sox, Chris N with the Braves, Jeff G with the Angels and Royals, Pack Gambler with the Twins through a trade. We have Kevin with the Arizona Diamondbacks. We have Jeff G with the Padres through a trade. Pack Gambler has the Yankees and Cardinals and Mets. The Mets are through a trade. Brad has the Texas Rangers. Jeff K has the Boston Red Sox. Kevin has the Tigers through a trade. Jeff G has the Cubs. Jeff K has the Baltimore Orioles. Chris N has the Mariners through a trade, and Pack Gambler has the Brewers, rounding out the 30th team. All right. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Again, this is a hobby box. 36 packs, so lots of packs tonight. And there is 10 packs, 10 cards per pack. So 360 cards we're going to go through. Again, this box will contain one autograph or relic card, as well as it has the emeralds and other inserts. So hopefully we can pull off a nice hit for somebody in the room or watching via video. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Here's our first row. So our first pack: Gutierrez for Seattle, Griffin for the A's. We get a Miguel Cabrera for Detroit. And our first insert, or hit, I guess, is an Ian Kinsler for the Rangers. It's going to Brad. That is a gold parallel. And the gold parallels are numbered to 2013. 2013. So a Rangers hit for Brad. It's our first one. Our next hit is a Jason Hayward, Chase It Down. That's for the Braves. The Braves belong to Chris N. It's an insert. We got Estrada for the Brewers, Jose Fernandez rookie card for the Marlins. We got a Mark Ellis for the Dodgers, and Brandon Belt for the Giants, and Nunez for the Yankees. So first pack, not too bad. Starting off with a hit is always good. Got a Tehran for the Braves, David Price for the Tampa Bay Rays, Gio Gonzalez for the Nationals. We got a Rodriguez for the Pirates. Got a Cabrera rookie for the Cubs. Our next hit is another Rangers hit, Ian Kinsler. So they'll match the gold hit that Brad got. So that's the emerald. It's our first emerald. We have a Chips insert. We have a Mike Trout Rookie of the Year card for the Angels. Goldschmidt for the Diamondbacks. Martinez for the Astros. And Cody Ross for the Diamondbacks. We get a Plouffe for the Twins, Elfod for the Giants. Gusaedo for the White Sox. Anthony Gose for the Jays. Scudero for the Giants. Our next insert is a Yogi Berra. This is a mini Yogi Berra for the Yankees. And the Yankees go to ThePackGambler. Another insert is a Manny Machado. This is going for the Orioles. Nice hit. That's for Jeff K. Jeff K, Manny Machado. This is a Chasing History insert. We get a Vestibin for the Mets. Mastroni for the Twins. And Fierce for the Brewers. Our fourth pack. Storn for the Nationals. Jackson for the Cubs. Greinke for the Dodgers. Sandoval for the Giants. Hamels for the Phillies. Our next hit insert is a Willen Rosario for the Rockies. Making their mark. It's for the Colorado Rockies. That's ThePackGambler. We got a Gurko for the Padres rookie. We have a Chris Young for the Athletics. Garza for the Cubs. And Chris Carter for the Astros. Cervelli for the Yankees. Presley for the Pirates. Hannaran for the Red Sox. Michael Cuddyer for the Colorado Rockies. Chapman for the Reds. Our next insert hit is a Carlos Beltran. Carlos Beltran for the Dominican. So this is a World Baseball Classic. This is not numbered. So that's a Beltran. We have a Herman, rookie for the Twins. Swisher for the Indians. Marson for the Indians. And Hamill for the Orioles. So just to rephrase, the Beltran is going to go to his current Major League team. Even though that it is for Puerto Rico, it will go to the current Major League team that he belongs to. You got a Segura for the Brewers. Jones, Pirates. Trumbo for the Angels. Kubel for the Diamondbacks. We have a $1 million chase insert, which will randomly be inserted into one of your packs. We have a Josh Hamilton mini insert for the Angels. The Angels went to Jeff G. So Jeff G, that's your insert. We have a Philip Omont for the Phillies, rookie. C.J. Wilson for the Angels. Joe Kelly for the Cardinals. And R.A. Dickey for the Blue Jays. Here's our next pack. Brian Roberts for the Orioles. Nolasco for the Marlins. Salvador Perez for the Royals. Pedro Alvarez for the Pirates. Our next insert hit is a Felix Hernandez for the Marlins. Or sorry, not the Marlins, the Mariners. I apologize. So the Mariners are with Chris N. So that's a Chasing History for Felix Hernandez. Straley for the A's. We got a Brandon Maurer for the Mariners rookie. Matt Harvey for the Mets. Scott Baker for the Cubs. And Logan Morrison for the Marlins, sorry. The Mariners and Marlins messed up. Next pack, we got Ian Stewart for the Cubs. Papelbon for the Phillies. Jimenez for the Indians. And there's Ian Kinsler again. This is the base for Brad. We got a Mike Trout for the Angels, Defensive Player of the Year. And back-to-back 2 Trouts. So the Angels are with Jeff G. So that's pretty cool. Congrats. And right after that is another nice hit. Miguel Cabrera, gold. This is the AL MVP. And the Tigers are with Kevin L. So Kevin, that's your hit. This is numbered to 2013. Very nice. You got a Michael Bourne for the Indians, Phil Koch for the Tigers, and Dobbs for the Marlins. This is the last pack in the first row. Still a lot to go. Here, Peralta for the Brewers, Josh Johnson for the Jays, Gavin Floyd for the White Sox, that is, Diaz for the White Sox, Tulowitzki for Colorado, and we have another Manny Machado insert, Chase It Down. Very nice. That's for Baltimore. That's going to Jeff K. So very cool. We got a Lured, for the Phillies, rookie. Williams for the Angels, Kratz for the Phillies, and Malone for the A's. So that does our first row of 4. Just going to put these aside and start on our next row. So again, this is a 2013 Topps Baseball Series 2 box break from the PackGambler, www.packgambler.com. Next row starts off with David Freese for the Cardinals. We have a Dumont for the Twins, Pistano for the Indians, Rivera for the Yankees. Our next insert hit is a Chris Medlin, making their mark for the Braves. And we have a Jonas Cespedes mini insert for the Athletics. The Athletics are going to Greg, so very nice. Home run hitting champion the other night. Got another Chips insert. We got a Wheeler rookie for the Rockies, Chris Carpenter for the Cardinals, Chen for the Orioles, and Gardner for the Yankees. Okay, it looks like this pack has our hit, our relic hit, possibly. No, it does not. It does not have the relic hit, but it is a hit. I thought it was. It's a thick pack. We'll get to it. You'll see what it is. Hansen for the Angels, Matt Cain for the Giants, and a beautiful Sandy Koufax. Now these ones are called the Elite. This is a Sandy Koufax, cool card. It's thick, not numbered. These were in the first series, but I think they were called something different. These are really nice. This is going to the Dodgers. So it's a Dodgers hit. That's for the PackGambler. That is a pretty cool card. Koufax is one of the cool favorites from before. Got another Dodgers hit for Carl Crawford, chasing history. Torres for San Francisco, and Cabrera for the Indians. Sorry to jump the gun there. I thought that Koufax was a relic, so that would have been pretty cool. We'll hit it eventually, or the autograph, either one. We've got another nice insert coming up. We got Buck for the Mets, Carrasco for the Indians, Dempster for the Red Sox, Barnes for the Astros, rookie. Another $1 million chase. That'll be inserted into somebody's pack. And guess who else we got? Another Cespedes die cut. Cut to the chase. These are awesome. So that's another Oakland Cespedes hit. insert hit for Greg B. Congrats, Greg. Very nice. And there's Evan Gaddis, rookie card for the Braves. So that's one of the ones that people have been chasing down. So that's a Braves rookie hit. That's for Chris N. Parmalee for the Twins. Jose Bautista for the Jays. Mark Burley for the Jays. And a second chance vintage giveaway. Facebook. Again, we will, I don't think that there's anything in there that there's no code. So that is just a filler. Just wanted to make sure there. Alright, so the second row opening up here is providing us some nice looking cards. We get a DeVrares for the Twins, De La Rosa for the Rockies, Cashner for the Padres, Sabathia for the Yanks, Castillo for the Cubs, and a nice World Baseball Classic Robinson Cano insert. So Cano for Dominican, however this will go to his current Major League team, which is the Yankees. So they're pretty cool. It's a nice little card. Jackie Bradley Jr. rookie card for the Red Sox. It's a nice one. Soriano for the Cubs. Neiman for Tampa. And Moss for the A's. Here's our next pack. We have a James Loney for Tampa. Adam Dunn for the White Sox. Drew Smiley for the Tigers. Nick Markakis for the Orioles. Alive for the Tigers. And a White Sox Emerald Diaza insert. We got an Adam Warren for the Yankees rookie. Josh Vitters for the Cubs. Henderson Alvarez for the Marlins, and Bumgardner for San Francisco. A couple more packs in our second row. So it looks like it has some inserts in here. Got a Brandon Phillips for the Reds. Matt Moore for Tampa. J.J. Hardy for the Orioles. Mejia for the Mets. And a cool gold Troy Tulowitzki insert. That's going to the PackGambler. It's pretty cool. He's one of my favorites. Goes to our PC. We got an Eddie Matthews mini for the Braves. So the Braves, another insert hit. That's going to Chris N. And we have a Matt Cain Chasing History for the Giants. It's going to Jeff G, sorry. We got a Werner rookie for the Athletics. Headley for the Padres, and Dozier for the Twins. Still looking for a relic or autograph in the box, and other goodies, of course. So far, so good. This next pack starts with Victorino for the Red Sox. Calaspo for the Angels. Casilla for the Giants. Quinton for San Diego. And there's our next insert, which is a Mets Ike Davis making their mark. Sergio Santos for the Jays. Adam Lynn for the Jays. We have Travis Wood for the Cubs. So Jeff, just so you know, this one came out a little weird. You can tell on there. That's a Jeff G card, so I just want to make sure it's a little bent on the corner there. I'll see if I can find another one. Just want to make you aware of that. Sorry, don't know why that one's all damaged. Ramirez for the Brewers, and Bud Norris for the Astros. Next pack, Matt Dominguez for the Astros, Billy Butler for the Royals, Melky Cabrera for the Jays, Derek Holland for the Rangers, Dubront for the Red Sox, another Orioles hit, insert hit, chase it down for Adam Jones. Orioles again belong to Jeff K. So Jeff K, pretty cool. We got a Ryu rookie for the Dodgers. It's a good card. Humber for the Astros. Wheelam for the Mariners. And Josh Donaldson for the A's. This is our last pack in our second row of 4. Of our 2013 Top Series 2 box break from the ThePackGambler. You got a Patrick Corbin for the Arizona Diamondbacks, Adam LaRoche for the Washington Nationals, Eric Abar for the Angels, Midland for the Braves, another $1 million chase card. We'll put it into somebody's packs. David Price for the Rays, mini. It's a good insert hit. Another chips insert filler. Omo Grosso for the White Sox rookie, Grandal for the Padres, Joyce for Tampa, and Walden for the Braves. Okay, so that's 2 rows done, 2 rows down, 2 rows to go. We are looking for our relic auto still out of our box. Good luck, everybody. We have Nelson Cruz for the Rangers, Escobar for the Royals, Balfour for the A's, Bellancourt for the Rockies. We have an insert for the Dodgers, chasing history, Gary Sheffield. Tim Hudson for the Braves, Conager for the Angels, Anderson for the A's, Benoit for the Tigers, and Castro for the Astros. Okay, next pack. Sherholtz for the Cubs, Leak for the Reds, Mike Leak for the Reds, Johan Santana for the Mets, Francoeur for the Royals, Coco Crisp for the A's, and another Troy Tulowitzki insert, Emerald this time. So that's going to the ThePackGambler, Colorado. It's pretty cool. Jimenez rookie for the Angels. Whoops. You have David Ortiz for Boston, Albert Pujols for the Angels, and Flowers for the White Sox. It's a good way to end the pack with Pujols and Ortiz back to back. Next pack is Beltran for the Cardinals. We have Rutledge for the Colorado Rockies, Pettit for the Yankees, Hudson Street for the San Diego Padres, and our next insert hit is a Twins. It's really for Team USA, but World Baseball Classic. It's Joe Mauer. So he is currently with the Twins. That'll be a Twins hit, insert hit. And Hendricks for the Twins, Cabrera for the Tigers, Pomerantz for the Rockies, Gentry for the Rangers, pretty cool card there, and Josh Hamilton for the Angels. Next pack, Evaldi for the Marlins, Hughes for the Yankees, Harrison for the Texas Rangers, Reimold for the Orioles, and we have a Braves insert hit, Simmons making their mark. It's a good young shortstop there. And we also have a Lance Berkman, Texas Rangers gold parallel, so that's numbered of 2013. So Rangers, again, Brad, that's one of yours. We have a Davis, Brewers rookie. Buchholz for the Red Sox, Myers for the Indians, and Iglesias for the Red Sox. Next pack. Just going to move the camera over a bit. Sorry. There we go. John Lackey for the Red Sox. Lavarnway for the Red Sox. Aviles for the Indians. R.A. Dickey for the Mets. We have a Matt Cain Giants insert. Mini insert. And we have a nice Stan Musial Chasing History for the Cardinals insert hit. Locke for the Pirates. Quintana for the White Sox. Kuchel for the Astros. And Marmol for the Cubs. Got another nice die cut insert, it seems, in here. Starting off with Aaron Sebia for the Jays. Victor Martinez for the Tigers. Wade Miley for the Diamondbacks. Borges for the Angels. We have another $1 million chase. And a very cool insert. Ernie Banks, cut to the chase. Die cut insert. The Cubs are going to Jeff G. So there you go. Congrats on that nice insert. We got a Hicks Twins rookie. Brantley rookie for the Miami Marlins. Solero for the Marlins. Baxter for the Mets. And another filler card. Next pack. And this will be our hit. Here we go. Good luck. Montero for the Mariners. Juan Pierre for the Marlins. Our insert hit in this pack is for the Padres, Cameron Maybin. And our relic is Nelson Cruz. Chasing History jersey card. This is not numbered. This is going to the Rangers. Brad, this is your hit. Congratulations, Brad. Nelson Cruz, single swatch jersey. Very nice. Congratulations again. Porcello for the Tigers. Soriano for the Cubs. Cano for the Yankees. And Santana for the Royals. Alright, so we have our relic of the box. Let's see if we can pull some other nice inserts in here or parallels for people. Starting off with this Bosch for the Yankees. San Diego for the White Sox. Ramirez for the White Sox. Helton for the Rockies. Another $1 million chase. A nice Brooks Robinson mini for the Orioles. Another Chips insert. Mercer rookie for the Pirates. Casey Jensen for the Jays. Wallace for the Astros. And Lorenzo Cain for the Royals. Here's our next pack. Lyles for the Astros. There's a nice Jonas Cespedes for the A's. Ibanez for the Mariners. Corey Hart for the Brewers. Cabrera for the Padres. We have a Indians insert hit. Jason Kipnis, Chasing History. Scribner for the A's, rookie. Bevan for the Mariners. Nelson for the Rockies. And Simmons for the Braves. Okay, so that's our third row. One more row to go. in our 2013 Top Series 2 Hobby Box, brought to you by ThePackGambler. You can find us at www.packgambler.com. Also on Twitter with the handle @packgambler, and Facebook and on our blog. Here we go. Good luck, everybody, on the remaining packs. Forsyth for the Padres, Chatwood for the Rockies, Sanchez for the Giants, Andrews for the Rangers, Strasburg for the Washington Nationals. We have a nice Mo Rivera Yankee Emerald insert. McGee for Tampa, Giovanni for the Royals. Sorry about that, I probably screwed it up. Ruiz for the Phillies, and Rodney for the Tampa Bay Rays. We got a Dunsing for the Twins, Chisenhall for the Indians, and we have another thick, the Elite. That's a Reggie Jackson for the Yankees. The Yankees belong to the PackGambler, so that's another cool card that we have. And our next card is a Hanley Ramirez insert. This is for Dominican. His current team is the Dodgers, so this is going to be a Dodgers insert hit. Got a Michael Bourne, Defensive Player of the Year for the Braves, and Chris Perez for the Indians. Got a Mahone for the Braves, Gomez for the Brewers, Infante for the Tigers, Homer Bailey for the Reds. We have a Red Sox insert, Will Middlebrooks, making their mark. And we have a nice Aroldis Chapman, gold parallel, numbered out of 2013 for the Reds. So very nice, and that's a very low number too. It's number 29, 0029 out of 2013, so that's pretty cool. Usually you get really high numbers. So that's a nice hit. Juan Pierre for the Marlins, Martin for the Rangers, Iwakuma for the Mariners, and McDonald for the Pirates. This pack starts off with Bonifacio for the Jays, Marquis for the Padres, Turner for the Marlins, Luis Cruz for the Dodgers. We have a Profar Mini for the Rangers. It's going to Brad. Very nice. And a Adrian Gonzalez Chasing History for the Dodgers. Get a cool Bryce Harper Rookie of the Year for the Nationals. John Lester for the Red Sox. It's a nice picture. LaCroix for the Brewers, and McLeod for the Orioles. Alright, this one starts off with Holiday for the Phillies, Ruggiano for the Marlins, Blanco for the Giants, Florimond for the Twins, Lynn for the Cardinals. We have a $1 Million Chase. Oh, we got a nice insert for the, it's for the Brewers. Unfortunately, we have the Brewers. So we have a gold parallel, or sorry, not a gold parallel, a black parallel. It's numbered as 62. Juan Segura. So let's go into the PackGambler. It's a nice hit. Sorry, nobody in the room got the Brewers. Marte for the Diamondbacks rookie, William Rosario for the Rockies, and Dominic Brown for the Phillies. Okay, 4 more packs. Good luck, everybody, on the remaining inserts and cards inside. After this, we're going to do our bonus draws. JD Martinez for the Astros, Madsen for the Angels, Schneider for the Pirates, Detweiler for the Washington Nationals, David Price, Tampa Bay. We have a Mike Moustakas, Chase It Down, insert hit for the Royals. We have a Kohler, Marlins rookie, Ionata for the Angels, Torrey Hunter for the Tigers, and Jake Peavy for the White Sox. 3 more packs. Perkins for the Twins, BJ Upton for the Braves, Andy Dirks for the Tigers, Ludwig for the Reds, and a Giants Emerald of Matt Cain. Matt Cain for the Giants, insert. And the Giants went to Jeff G. And right after that, we have a Reds insert, Johnny Bench, mini. So very cool. There you go, Greg. Maldonado rookie for the Brewers, Neil Walker for the Pirates, Smoke for the Mariners, and Derek Norris for the A's. 2 more packs. Sanchez for the Tigers, Beachy for the Braves, Shisnek for the the Marlins. Keep getting them messed up. Seth Smith for the Oakland A's, Josh Harrison for the Pirates. We have a Robbie Cano, Yankees, Chasing History, insert for the PackGambler. Prado for the Diamondbacks, Scott Diamond for the Twins, Richard for the Padres, and Jay Bruce for the Reds. Round out that pack. Alright, here's our last pack in the 2013 Top Series 2 Baseball Hobby Box break. Thank you again, everybody, for supporting the PackGambler. Find us at www.packgambler.com. Good luck, everybody, on the last pack. Here we go. Carl Crawford for the Dodgers, Gonzalez for the Orioles, Nicaso for the Rockies. We got a Thatcher for the Padres, Todd Frazier, Reds insert, making their mark, the red insert. And we have another cut to the chase, die cut of Albert Bell for the Indians. The Indians with the PackGambler. So, like these cut to the chase cards. McPherson rookie for the Pirates, Gomes for the Red Sox, Kelly Johnson for Tampa Bay, and Ruben Tejada for the Mets. Round out our last pack with a filler on Facebook. Thanks again for watching the break from the PackGambler. Next, we're going to do our bonus hits, so stay tuned for that. Again, you can find us at www.packgambler.com. Our relic, again, just to go over it again, was a Nelson Cruz jersey card, Chasing History, for the Texas Rangers. And that went to Brad. Congratulations, Brad. And thank you all for joining the break.